Hey everyone! So Realme is doing an excellent job with its product and has established a market position to compete with other OEMs. The business is also focusing on game-centric phones as seen by the recent debut of the Realme Neo 2, which has an excellent specifications and a reasonable price tag. And now Realme is nearly ready to release its successor, the Realme Neo 3. The phone has passed practically all certification tests and we know a little bit about the device. And now we get our first official glimpse at GT Neo 3 according to a Weibo post. The smartphone has a rectangular island on the back that houses 3 cameras and a flash. There is also some text that confirms OIS. I have taken this look a step further by providing you with the hands-on images of the actual phone. Yes, the back profile of the smartphone is seen in the hands-on images. The design of this smartphone is consistent with what we saw in the leaked images. The gadget has a plain back and the camera module is located on the top left. So it was all about the design, but now comes the most fascinating part. Because it is a gaming phone, the CPU is the device's major component. It was previously rumored to arrive with the Snapdragon 888, however this is not the case. The new Dimensity 8100 SoC will be combined with the 12 GB of LPDDR5 and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage in the Realme GT Neo 3. This CPU is clearly a powerhouse. The Dimensity 8100 is built on the TSMC N55nm classic manufacturing process and offers up to 20% greater GPU frequency than Dimensity 8000, as well as over 25% better CPU power efficiency than our previous generation Dimensity chips. There is no doubt that this is a strong gaming CPU. The device will have a 6.7 inches AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate according to rumors. The phone's display will also double as an in-display fingerprint scanner. A triple camera system with a 50 megapixel IMX766 sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 2 megapixel micro sensor is expected to be included in the device. It will have a 16 megapixel camera on the front. The smartphone is said to have 2 battery options. There are 2 variants, one with a 5000 mAh battery and supports for 80 watt fast charging, and another with 4500 mAh battery and support for 150 watt fast charging. I'm not sure why Realme did this racism. They could have offered a 5000 mAh battery and a 150 watt fast charging. Anyway, aside from the specification, the smartphone is likely to cost 2000 Chinese yuans in China. We will able to view the device in the near future. So what do you think about this gaming beast? Let me know in the comment box below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.